वक्रतुंड महाकारी सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभ कार्येषु सर्वदा. District Governor and my fellow Lions of District 3231A3, नमस्ते. दोस्तों, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि मनुष्य परिस्थिति का दास होता है. आज आप और हम ऐसी विकट परिस्थिति का सामना कर रहे हैं जिसके कारण मेरी आवाज़ आप तक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माध्यम के द्वारा पहुंच रही है. कोरोना वायरस की महामारी ने हम सबको जैसे एक तरह से झंझोड़ के रख दिया है. पिछले 3 महीने से लगातार हमारी लड़ाई इस महामारी से जारी है. आप सभी ने काफ़ी संयम से काम लिया है और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि हमारी जीत इस महामारी के ऊपर होगी और हम एक बार फिर नए उल्लास के साथ अपनी मंजिल की ओर आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो दोस्तों, इन्हीं चंद शब्दों के साथ मैं आपके समक्ष वर्ष 2020-21 की प्लान्स एंड पॉलिसी रखना चाहता हूँ. At the outset, I would like to thank our District Governor, Lion Dr. Ajit Jain, Nominating Committee Chairperson, Election Committee Chairperson, all the past District Governors, members of this fine District 3231A3, members of my home club, Lions Club of Mumbai, Mahavir Nagar, who stood by me like a rock, and my members of my family for their unconditional support, and all those who are responsible for my elevation at this position. Friends, today is a memorable day for me. I have completed 28 years of journey in Lionism. The journey began in 1992 when I joined Lions Club of Borivali East. It was never looking back thereafter. I started rising the ladder of leadership thereafter. And today, with your affirmative vote, I stand before you as your District Governor-elect for the year 2021. I would like to thank each one of you for your love and affection, and I accept this responsibility with all humbleness and with all sincerity. Friends, our district has a very proud past. Each governor during his tenure has set a new benchmark of service at that year. During current year also, our district has undertaken some very good service activities. So the challenge for me is very big. But I am sure with the help and support of each one of you, and with the help and support of both the Vice Governor, I will be able to set a new benchmark for the year 2021. Friends, it is said, alone I can speak, but together we can shout. And with this background, I would like to say that I have prepared a plans and policy which is not my plans and policy, but this is the plans and policy of yours. And therefore, let us all work together, join together for the success of this year 2021. I would also like to place on record that our past district governor, who are always available to help and guide us, I assure the due respect will be given to them all the time. Now I would begin with my pin and slogan for the year. This year's pin is in a round circular shape. The circle is an omnipresent, universal symbol with extensive meaning, without beginning or end, without sides or corners. This geometric shape tells about perfection, infinity, spirituality, and life like no other form. The symbol of the circle stands for oneness, wholeness, unity, inclusivity, which represents our land's culture. The 5 stars on both the side of pin represents that our treatments, our quality of program, our projects and our culture will be of 5-star category. And that in our dynamic lands district 3231A3, India, in the lands year 2021. The 3 images on top in our country's proud tricolor depicts the youth who are indeed our bright present and promising future. 2 hands for the service depicts our land's motto, we serve. Right at the center, along with the serving hand, is smile, which we lions have to truly wear all the time. And the Lions International logo below the youth, the smile and the serving hands means lions are always ready to serve with a smile. And that, my friends, comes at the top of the pin. Our slogan for the year 2021, serve with a smile. Friends, this is the pin we are going to use for print and electronic media. And the district level pin, which you are proudly going to wear in the year 2021, the pin with the antique look is this. Now I will give details of plans and policies. Friends, our international president for 2021, Jung Yul Choi, we will be following all the international plans and policies. District plans and policies has been divided into 4 focus areas. Number 1, youth development, that is Yuva Vikas. I believe youth are the one who are going to build our nation. Youth are our future. We all should work for the youth development by helping them in the field of education, creating all the opportunity for their education, vocational guidance, provide them vocational guidance at the right time, medical, make available all the medical facilities for them to remain physically fit. Leadership development, provide them opportunity and platform for their leadership development. Leo program, here we would like more and more Lions Club to come forward and form their Leo Club and thereby encourage youth. Youth exchange, it is a very good program where our youth get opportunity to visit other countries, learn their culture and promote ours. Sports, Again, sports enable you to connect with youth and keeps you fit as well. Few sports events planned are district sports fiesta, marathon, cricket tournament, and football tournament. Our second focus area, rural development, ग्रामीण विकास, चलो गांव की ओर. The survey says 70% of our population lives in village. They have many challenges like lack of education, medical, water scarcity, and so on. We all should work for the upliftment of these people, helping them with better education facilities by upgradation of Anganwadi and Ashramshala, lights and solar plants in schools, medical facilities like upgradation of primary health center, mobile van and clinic for their routine checkup. Water is the main area of concern. To overcome this problem, construct check dams. Water lifting for drinking and irrigation. Check dam constructed a year ago by V Lands shows good accumulation of water. We want to lift this water and make it available for drinking and irrigation. Tree plantation, Vriksharopan. We have planned tree plantation as self-sustaining revenue model for Kisan. Tree plantation will be done at the land belonging to Kisan, who will ultimately safeguard such trees. Full details for the same will be given separately. Kisan Mela, Shetkari Medavada. We have planned this event on a very large scale for the benefit of Kisan. With this Kisan Mela, we will educate Kisan with the latest technique of farming, provide them direct market for their crops. This two-day Kisan Mela will be held in the month of January 2021 in satellite area. We expect minimum 10,000 Kisan to take benefit of this. Village adoption. Our district is doing very good work in this area. Many clubs have already adopted village, which has resulted in better facilities for those villagers. We want to promote this program and request more and more clubs to come forward for the same. Third focus area is women empowerment, Mahila Shashaktikaran. There is a lot to be done for women empowerment. We will focus on girls' hygiene, to create awareness among the girls about the good hygiene practices, provide them necessary help to maintain it. Secondly, mother care. Ladies at the remote place usually do not get proper medical help during their pregnancy, resulting in either giving birth to a malnutrition child or sometime death of child. We want to provide proper medical facilities to pregnant ladies, which will take care of mother and child both. School dropout girls. There are many girls and women who, due to various reasons, could not pursue the further studies. We will provide them an opportunity to study further. Training for sieving and other trade. To make women self-reliable, we will give them training to earn their livelihood. The fourth area is Alliance International Global Causes, Antarrashtriya Seva Karya. There are 5 main global causes which we will work for: vision, hunger, diabetes, environment, and childhood care. Friends, apart from these 4 focus area, some of the other program of the district which is in the line of Parampara, celebration of October Service Week, celebration of Satellite Service Week. Checkup camps, there are various checkup camps we do, like medical checkup camp, eye checkup camp, diabetes checkup camp, thalassemia checkup camp, blood donation and platelet donation camps. Work with differently abled children, special children of Punarvas. Also, other such organization, physically handicapped, visually impaired, Jaipur Foot, celebration of World Disabled Day, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the movement initiated by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and which is very important now in view of COVID-19. We have planned few initiatives. One, deep cleaning of municipal market. Second, solarization and upgradation of municipal toilets. And number 3, plastic and waste collection drive in the schools. Implementation of Lions Quest program. As you all are aware, this is one of the best education program developed by Lions International for overall development of school children. We will take this program to maximum schools. Child care, that is Bal Vikas, midday meal, senior citizen welfare and old age home, orphanages, eye donation and organ donation, district FRD twinning. Very few clubs in our district organizes FRD on individual basis. So this twinning will enable clubs with a small membership to organize fundraising drive. Formation of legal cell. We have many advocates and legal practitioners in our district. The cell will give free advice to our members on various matters. Now I will come to district policy. Number 1, transparency at all level. Number 2, policy of number of no flowers and bouquet to continue. Governing council reintroduced for better working, time management at all the meetings, DG visit meetings to be more focused. DG visit docket is mandatory to be made along with the details as per the questionnaire given by district administration. 10 best dockets will be awarded. Contest rule to be followed by all the clubs for better administration. Members should visit district website more often for updates. The web address is www.lions3231a3.org. Use of online and offline media to enhance Lions image. To avoid wastage of paper, most of the circular will be in the soft form. The pandemic of COVID-19 has taught us how we can be in touch with the members without meeting physically. The use of electronic media platform for the meetings and webinar will be promoted for better efficiency. There will be a dedicated committee working for this. To have better attendance and to give opportunity to club members, There will be a talent contest at all the zone socials and region conference as per the guidelines given by the district administration. Honoring of past presidents of zone will be done at respective zone socials. MJF honoring will be done at all respective region conferences. Leadership development. There will be 2 DLLI, that is District Lions Leadership Institute, and 4 leadership seminars, including 1 at satellite area. We will also promote participation in RLLI and ALLI. Leo promotion. We want Leos to participate in all the leadership seminar. They will be given 50% concession on the registration. Leo President, Secretary and Treasurer will be invited in all the district cabinet meetings, and the President will be asked to present his report. There will be at least 1 mega event jointly organized by Lions and Leos. Leo will be part of all the major district service projects. Leo PST of each club to be invited at the DZ visit of their parent club. Each club should appoint a Leo advisor to promote Leo activity irrespective of the club having Leo club, having their Leo club. Satellite clubs. Since they are situated away from the city, they spend more money, more time, and undergo many hardships for attending meetings. District would like to support and encourage them by subsidizing 25% of the virtual charges. So they have to pay only 75% for attending district functions. Similarly, for satellite projects, the contribution will be 20%. Their contribution will be 20%. City club will contribute 70%, and 10% will be borne by the district. LCIF. Encourage clubs for monumental project with the help of LCIF grant. Encourage clubs for contribution toward campaign 100. And thirdly, MJF promotion. Membership. Membership growth is of prime importance for any organization. We will make full efforts for net membership growth. Brotherhood scheme. We have one of the best scheme for the welfare of members' family known as Brotherhood scheme. We will promote and create awareness for this scheme to cover more and more members. Lions Privilege Card. The scheme started last year will continue this year also for the members to take benefit of it. Awards and rewards. Encourage all the clubs and district chairpersons to apply for international awards. Motivate and train eligible leaders to contest for multiple awards. District awards will be given to deserving on time-to-time basis. Some of the other awards planned are Lion of the Month, Lions Club of the Month, Best Lion of the Year, Best Lions Club of the Year, Leo of the Year, and Best Leo Club of the Year. Friends, event plan for 2021. Micro RCZC training, blood donation camp, district cabinet installation, tree plantation, PST and first will be schooling, GAT conclave and CQI, Independence Day celebration, Hindi Divas celebration, CSR awards, October Service Week, Diwali celebration, Sports Day, Past President honoring, Satellite Service Week, MJF honoring, Marathon, Past District Governor honoring, Marathi Bhasha Divas, FRD Tuning Program, Holi Celebration, District Convention, International Picnic, Eid Celebration, Treasure Hunt, and Bonwage and Awards. Of course, Zone Social and Region Conference will be held between November and February. There will be 5 district cabinet meetings and 5 governing council meetings. Friends, these are some of the main events. A detailed calendar will be circulated. So friends, as I said before, for the success of the Lanistic year 2020-21, I will need a help and support of each and every member of our district. And to complete the task, you need a very committed team. So with great pride and privilege, I introduce before you a team for the Lanistic year 2021. It starts with secretaries. District Cabinet Secretary Lan Ajay Havelia. Additional District Cabinet Secretary Lan Sandeep Sanghvi. Executive District Cabinet Secretaries Lan Gopal Khetan, Lan Kirti Ajmera, Lan Dr. Mala Seth, Lan Neha Bandekar, Lan Nimesh Shah, Lan Renu Arora, and Lan Sachin Biani. District Cabinet Treasurer Lan C.A. Nilesh J. Panchal, Additional District Cabinet Treasurer Lan C.A. Sanjay Jain, Executive District Cabinet Treasurers Lan Ilesh Purohit, Lan Kavita Lala, Lan Mukul Gupta, Lan Tasneem Haryanwala, Lan Urvi Registrar, Lan Vinod Shah, and Lan Vivek Sethi. District Cabinet PR and Marketing, Lan Vikas Saraf, Additional District Cabinet PR and Marketing, Lan R.K. Duggal, Executive District Cabinet PR and Marketing, Lan Bhavna Patel, Lan Beena Chadda, Lan Birendra Yadav, Lan Bobby Malhotra, Lan Rajesh Salian, Lan Ravi Nigam, and Lan Sai Prasad Nadkarni. Friends, as you are aware, the district governor is GAT head and the executive district cabinet global action team working under me, the Lan Aditi Shroff, Lan Anjali Mistry, Lan Bankim Dalal, Lan Jaideep Desai, Lan Mangla Purohit, Lan Ramesh Kukla, Lan Sanjay Jain, Lan Silpi Rastogi, and Lan Vijay Pathak. Global Service Team, GST, Lan Preeti Soda. Global Membership Team, GMT, Lan GH Kuchan. Global Leadership Team, GLT, Lan Hiralal Sharma. Lan's Quest Chairperson, Lan Manjeet Chandok. Now Region Chairperson and Zone Chairpersons. Friends, as I said before, to strengthen the region and zone, the district has been divided into 6 regions and 18 zones. Here are our region and zone chairpersons. Region Chairperson, Region 1, Lan Bhavesh Panchal. And Zone Chairpersons, Lan Nafisa Malik, Lan Rajiv Sane, Land Seema Agarwal. Region Chairperson, Region 2, Land Devidas Patil. Zone Chairpersons, Land Patrice Gandhi, Land Dharmesh Mistry, Land Rashida Kapadia. Region Chairpersons, Region 3, Land Kailash Kataruka. Zone Chairpersons, Land Dr. Gayatri Pandav, Land Neeraj Gupta, Land Vineet Rastogi. Region Chairpersons, Region 4, Land Nitin Purkar. Zone Chairpersons, Land C.A. Patel, Land Pinky Pratap, and Land Vivek Rajapkar. Region Chairperson, Region 5, Land Sadhana Patil. Zone Chairpersons, Land Gehna Mehra, Land Ritu Chauhan, and Land Vipin Saklecha. Region Chairperson, Region 6, Land Vishwajit Bhatnagar. Zone Chairpersons, Land J.V. Rao, Land Suben Patil, and Land Vijeta Jaiswal. So this was the team for the year 2021. Now let us hear a theme song for the year 2021.
काम बहुत हो चुके पर अभी बाकी बहुत है काम। सेवा के शिखर पे लिखना है लायंस का नाम।
काम बहुत हो चुके पर अभी बाकी बहुत है काम। सेवा के शिखर पे लिखना है लायंस का नाम।
जहाँ जहाँ है दुख दर्द के अंधेरे, वहाँ सूरज बन के हम निकलेंगे।
लायंस के हौसलों के गर्मी से रुकावटों के पर्वत दिखलेंगे।
सेवा और सहायता का अपना है अंदाज वर्सेटाइल। Serve with a smile, oh, serve with a smile, serve with a smile, देश का फ्यूचर है युवा, हम युवाओं को प्रमोट करेंगे। एजुकेशन, मेडिकल और स्पोर्ट्स में उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे।
देश का फ्यूचर है युवा, हम युवाओं को प्रमोट करेंगे। एजुकेशन, मेडिकल और स्पोर्ट्स में उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे।
यूथ एक्सचेंज, लीडरशिप और लियो एक्टिविटी को मोटिवेट करेंगे। हिम्मत, हौसला, जुनून, समाज सेवा का जज्बा नव पीढ़ी में भर देंगे।
महिलाओं का सशक्तिकरण करेंगे, देंगे उन्हें स्वास्थ्य शिक्षा, बनाएंगे आत्मनिर्भर सुरक्षित और मदर केयर की देंगे सुविधा।
पिछड़े इलाकों में दागेंगे हम विकास की मिसाइल। Serve with a smile, oh, serve with a smile, serve with a smile, गांव-गांव में खोलेंगे हेल्थ सेंटर, आंगनवाड़ी और आश्रमशाला। वृक्षारोपण चेक डैम को बढ़ाएंगे, सोलर लाइट से करेंगे उजाला।
किसान, फैमिली और विलेज अडॉप्शन के एजेंडे को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे। घोर निराशा में जी रहे किसानों को आशा की नई किरण दिखाएंगे।
कृषि की नई नई तकनीकें किसानों को हम बताएंगे।
किसान मेले का आयोजन सैटेलाइट एरिया में करवाएंगे।
पिछड़े ग्रामीण लोगों के जीने का बदलेंगे स्टाइल। Serve with a smile, oh, serve with a smile, serve with a smile,
बुजुर्गों को मिले सम्मान, यही उद्देश्य है हमारा। हर संभव मदद को देकर बन जाएंगे उनका सहारा।
असहाय कमजोरों की हम ताकत बन जाए। इंसान है हम, इंसानियत बिना भेदभाव दिखलाए। एनवायरनमेंट, विजन, हंगर, डायबिटीज, चाइल्डहुड कैंसर को हम दूर करेंगे।
इन 5 इंटरनेशनल ग्लोबल कॉज को हम लाइन सपोर्ट करेंगे।
हर वर्ग के विकास की खोलेंगे हम एक नई फाइल। Serve with a smile, oh, serve with a smile, serve with a smile,
रुख मोड़ देंगे आधियों का, टकरा जाएंगे काल से। देखना हम ले जाएंगे तूफान से कश्तियां निकाल के। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब।
I hope you have liked the theme song. So friend, this is all about our plans and policy for the year 2021. Friends, though we intend to organize all the events as we have scheduled, but there could be couple of events which we may not be able to organize due to certain reasons, and we may have to follow some alternate way. This could result in saving some cost. And let me tell you, I have taken this fact into consideration while structuring the fee for the cabinet. I would like to share here that I have already started forming the cabinet for the year, and let me tell you, the response which I got from the members is very good. I take this opportunity to invite all those members whom I am not able to contact till date to kindly come and join the cabinet and make this year a grand success. So friends, once again, a big thank you to all of you. Let us rock, let us make the year 2021 a grand success, and always remember, serve with a smile.